love me. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Hello everybody, how are you all? I hope everyone is doing fine, right? Thank you. First of all, welcome to my channel, Max, my heartbeat. So I hope you are all watching my videos and learning mathematics, correct? Okay, thank you. And really students, I want to say you this, that you are not doing anything, I mean you are not practicing or you are not using your pen or paper or anything in the holidays. I know that very well. Just I wanted you to watch my videos and learn. That's it. Anyhow you will be using your mobile, right? Instead of doing some other things, wasting your time in Instagram, something like that, you can spend some time for knowledge, right? This is helpful. Of course, that is also just for entertainment purpose, it is helpful. But this is your life. Why don't you understand that and watch my videos and learn mathematics? I'm not forcing anyone, guys. Just I'm informing that it is good. Okay? It's your own will and wish. I can't do anything. Anyhow, welcome to my channel once again. And today I want to continue my topics about IIT-JEE. And about IIT-JEE, I have explained so many topics. If anyone is missing means just watch my previous videos so that you can understand what are the topics I have covered and how far you have understood. If anyone has any doubt, please mention in the comment section so that I can explain your doubts in my next class. But no one is doing that. It is your own will and wish. I can't do anything. I'm not forcing anyone to watch definitely or something like that. It is my personal interest that I wanted to share my videos. I mean, I wanted to share whatever I know, my knowledge to others. Yes. And so, I don't want to request or force anyone to share my videos, something like that. Clear? If you really like and if you really want to do something good to others, then you should, if at all really if you feel that it is helpful. But I am not forcing anyone. This is my personal interest to share my knowledge with others. Clear? So now today we'll start our IIT-JEE with our next concept, that is circles. Okay? Circles you will get in your second year IPE, and I hope in IIT this is in first year. I too don't know about it, but this is also a very important topic. But learning the concept is very, very important, right? So let me explain simple introduction class today. What is a circle? How we can define the general equation? First of all, center, radius, form, and also general equation of circle. How can we derive that? That I will explain. Okay. So now today's class, let us start about circles. Okay. So what is a circle? We have a definition for circle, right? So what is the definition for circle? So it is the locus of a point. Okay, it is the locus of a point which moves in a plane in such a way that its distance from a fixed point is always constant. always constant. Okay, so this is our definition of circle. Okay, already this is the same definition we are using in geometry as well as in our calculus part, I mean in our conic section part. Okay, conic section part is nothing but straight lines, pair of straight lines, everything comes under our conic section part. So in that conic section part I have started today with our topic, that is circles. So first of all let me explain this definition very detailed. So what is a circle? Definition of circle: it is the locus of a point which moves in a plane in such a way that its distance from a fixed point is always constant. Okay, so what is the locus? So locus is nothing but, for suppose if I am taking this center, from this center I am drawing a circle like this. Okay, from center O I am drawing a circle. So what is the locus means? Locus is nothing but the path of this fixed point. Okay, path of the moving point. For suppose this pxy is my moving point on the circle. Understood? So that will be at a fixed distance from the center. Okay, if I suppose I take O is the center of my circle, from here only I have constructed a circle with some fixed radius. Okay, so this is the curve, is nothing but circle, such that the distance between my center and any point on the circle is always fixed, that is small a. In terms of, and if I want to say is this small a, then that becomes the radius of the circle. Understood? So the definition of circle is that it is the locus of a point which moves in a plane. How it is moving? In such a way that its distance from a fixed point is always constant. Okay, means wherever, if I have, for suppose if my point P is shifted here, okay, my point P from here I am shifting here, then this distance OP is also the same A units. Understood? Such type of figure is said to be a circle. Understood now everybody? So this is the definition of circle. Clear? Very very important. If anyone want to note down, please note down. Okay, now let us move to our first concept, that is center radius form of a circle. Okay, how to know about the center radius form of a circle. Okay, first one, center radius form. Okay, so I will show this. I will derive the equation by taking the coordinate axis. For suppose this is my x-axis. Okay, x dash, y dash. This is my x-axis and this is my y-axis. And you already very well know that the point of intersection of the two axes, okay, of the two coordinate axes becomes origin, right? Origin O. So this is my 0 0, means I am not moving any distance on this coordinate axis. That's why origin always have the coordinates as 0 0. Now for suppose from point O to P, this is my point PXY now. Okay, now from this point I am drawing a circle like this. Okay, what I am doing? I am drawing a circle from this point. Clear? Now already I said that this distance is small a. Okay, assume that this distance OP is small a. Okay, means see here, to reach my point P, for suppose if I am taking this M, yes, this CM, from M I am moving like this, means OM is nothing but small x, distance small x, and PM is nothing but small y. Okay, this is just for your understanding. I am not taking this one in consideration. Just listen. So what I am doing means I am moving x distance on x axis and y distance on y axis to reach my point P. Understood everybody? This is what I have to do, right? Clear? So now, anyhow we know the distance between 2 points formula, right? So what is the distance between 2 points formula? Under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, correct? That's the distance only. I am taking this as small a. Clear? So now I should write x2 means x. So x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to, now what is the distance now? A. Okay. Now if I take squaring on both sides, then this becomes x square plus y square is equal to a square. Clear? Why? Because this square root gets cancelled and here this comes square. Okay. So now this is the general, center radius form of my circle. Understood? Where my center is what here? Center is origin 0, 0. And radius, how much my radius here? Small a. Understood? If I am considering a circle from my coordinate axis for my point P xy from origin, okay, means from the center, if I am from the center as origin I am drawing the circle, then the equation of such a circle becomes x square plus y square is equal to a square. Very, very important. Understood? From this only we are deriving our general equation of circle. So first of all, know the basic. This is the just first basic formula which we have to learn. Understood? From this only we are going to our next formula and then to our general formula, general equation of circle. Okay? So now let us move to our next formula by taking center without origin, now somewhere other point. Okay? So listen. Now what I am doing means, see here in the same coordinate axis, okay, by using the same coordinate axis, by taking my center here, okay, my center C now becomes H comma K. Okay, from this center I am drawing a circle now. Okay, this is my circle. I'm sorry guys, I'm not good at drawing. Just understand the concept. Okay, please. So if for suppose now my center C has changed, right? Previously my center was the origin. Right, now what I am doing means I am shifting the center now to here H comma K. Now again the point P is as it is x comma y here now. Okay. Now again the same for distance is A. Now if I take the distance of CP, PC or CP, whatever it may be, the distance between 2 points formula is what? Same. Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square. Now this becomes x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. Okay, is equal to, this is small a. Why? Because I am taking the distance as small a, same. Clear? And we know that the distance is also called as radius of the circle. Clear? The constant, the fixed distance between the center and any point on the circle is called the radius. Clear? So now again squaring on both sides. If I do squaring on both sides, then what I am getting here? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to a square. Correct? Now my equation of circle has changed. What is that? Because of I am taking center as h comma k. Now my equation becomes what? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to a square. Correct? In this equation, now what is my center here? So center C is equal to h comma k. Correct? And my radius is not changing here also. So radius is equal to small a. Understood? No? In the previous problem, I have taken my center as origin 0, 0. In this condition, in the second criteria, I am taking my center as h comma k but not origin. That's why my equation of circle has changed from x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to a square. Clear? Next definition, general form. General equation of circle. This is very, very important. Okay? So now let us move to the general equation of circle. Actually, we are having x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to a square, right? So from this, already we know that general equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Okay? So from this equation, I am getting this equation. Shall we do now? Let us start. So listen. So if I expand this, so what I am getting? X square plus h square minus 2xh. Correct? In the same way, y square plus k square minus 2ky is equal to a square. Correct? So now if I take this x square plus y square minus 2xh minus 2ky, if not minus 2hx. Okay, minus 2hx minus 2ky plus h square plus k square. Now my plus a square becomes minus a square is equal to 0. Correct? So now what I am doing means, now let us compare this with general equation of circle, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is our general equation of circle. Okay? For this equation, we are finding the g value and f value from our derived equation. Clear? So if I compare this with this, then I am getting what? 2g is equal to minus 2h, correct? So 2g is equal to minus 2h. If not, let us write minus 2h is equal to 2g, okay? So comparing, if I am comparing, then I am getting minus 2h is equal to 2g. Correct? So 2 cancel, h is equal to minus g. Okay? In the same way, minus 2k is equal to 2f. Correct? So here also my 2 cancel, k is equal to minus f. Okay? Now from this I am getting h comma k values as minus g comma minus f. Therefore my center h comma k becomes now what? Minus g comma minus f. Understood? No? My center now has shifted from h comma k to minus g comma minus f. Why? Because my general equation of circle is which one now? This is my general equation of circle. From this I have derived my center as minus g comma minus f. Clear? Now I want radius. But c is equal to, means I want a value now. So if I compare c here, this becomes h square plus k square minus a square. Correct? But I want c here this side and a this side. Then a square is equal to h square plus k square plus c becomes minus c. Clear? What is this? A square I am shifting here and C I am sending that side. Clear? So that is equal to. So see here, instead of h comma k, can I substitute minus g and minus f here? Okay. So minus g whole square plus minus f whole square minus c. Okay. So that is equal to minus g whole square. I can write as g square only, no? G square plus f square minus c. So now A is equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c. This is the radius. This is the center and this is the radius. Understood now? This is how we can derive center and radius from our general equation by comparing with our general center radius form. Clear? So this is my first introduction video about circles. How we can derive. First of all, learn the definition of circle. Why? Because without learning definitions, we can't understand the concept. First of all, we have to know what is a circle. Then only we can know about the center radius form. What is the center? What is the radius? And how to write center radius form. Afterwards, we can know the general equation of circle. From the general equation of circle, I have derived center and radius. Very, very important concepts. Clear? So, once again, I remind you, if you really like my videos, please share my videos to your friends and inform them to subscribe my channel so that they too can learn mathematics. If you really think that my videos are helpful, okay? And let me continue my videos from here with your support. And so I have once again already I have said that I am starting my IIT-JEE classes very soon, and whatever I have said I'm doing that. I have started my classes today, and definitely I will be doing these videos whenever possible without breaks now onwards, so that I can make so many members learn mathematics to whatever extent I know. Okay? And if you really like, give it a thumbs up. Let us meet in our next video. In the next video, let us solve some problems related to our next concepts. First of all, basic related concepts will solve problems, and after solving one or two examples, we'll go to our next concepts, and we'll continue our classes today onwards. So let us meet our next video. I hope you liked my video today. Thank you. Goodbye.